Let's boo this! Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today we are teaching you how to make the pumpkin waffle sundaes found at Sleepy Hollow during Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party nights. I am super excited because I am going to use my Mickey waffle iron for the first time ever. So this is the Mickey waffle iron I had originally. It's cute. It kind of makes more of like a pancakey shape. And I like it. It's nice. It's fine. But I really wanted like the little baby Mickey waffles that you get at the parks. So I bought this from the Disney store. Woo! And it makes not like park accurate, but pretty darn close. And like I said, this is my first time using it, and I'm super excited. And I've got Eddie coming over, and we're gonna do a sundae bar with our waffles. And I'm so excited. Let's get started. I've never done like an unboxing, so this will kind of be like my first one ever. I think my favorite thing about this waffle maker, besides the fact that it's super freaking cute, is that you can cook 6 waffles at a time. I mean, I was so impressed with this. And also, who can resist that cute little Mickey Mouse face? I'm obsessed. There are a lot of good recipes inside the waffle maker box. There's actually one for pumpkin waffles, and I was gonna use that one, but it makes a ton of waffles, and you don't quite need that many for me and Eddie. So I've got a different recipe we're gonna be using today. For the waffle mix, we're starting with our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and of course our friend salt. We're gonna whisk that all together, and then in a separate bowl we're adding in our 1 cup of pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 2/3 cup milk, and our brown sugar. I mixed everything in a stand mixer, incorporated those dry ingredients, and then I wanted it a little more orange, so I added some orange food coloring, gave that a nice whisk. Then I got our waffle iron ready. I used a measuring cup and poured it in until it was all the way full. I thought it was best to start in the middle and kind of fan it out. Then I set the dial to how I wanted, flipped, and started making those waffles. The whole plate is not for you. You put it in your bowl.
Sorry.
That's okay. I was like, what is he? Do you want ice cream?
Yeah,
Okay. This is an unusual way to build a sundae. Good, the ice cream's soft.
Ah!
Oh, did it burn you? Oh no!
Yeah, it was all fun and laughter over there. My ass getting burnt.
I'm sorry.
All laughs over there. All right, let's see what you got here. Let's see what you got.
I did comment.
You think? They're not all for you.
I was watching that happen. I was like, what? Why is he sprinkling all of them? Does he think?
I was gonna make a sundae for them with us.
That was nice of you. You want to have the best hot fudge?
Yes.
McDonald's. They have my favorite hot fudge sundae of all time at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's solid.
That's my favorite. You left me a little bit of whipped cream. Thank you.
There should be a good amount in here.
Do I want bats? No, I want the Halloween mix. Yeah.
Ooh.
So we are all set with our yummy sundaes, and we're gonna let Eddie try his first. His is very unique. All right, let's see how it worked out for him.
It's so good. So good.
Is it good?
It's so good.
Okay, good. I've been making pumpkin waffles lately with the Trader Joe's mix, which is really good, so I'm excited to see what they taste like from scratch. I think mine looks more like what they serve in the parks with the fun like Halloween sprinkles. I don't know if they put hot fudge on it in the parks, but I want hot fudge. A little bit of everything. Mmm. Oh yeah, they are really good.
Are you surprised?
Well, no, but it's like more pumpkin flavor, which is really good.
Yeah.
So I'm super happy with these waffles. My review of the waffle maker is it's a little difficult to use. I couldn't tell if I overfilled or underfilled, but the first batch came out burnt, so I threw them out, and then I cooked this next batch for like a little under 2 minutes, and they weren't as crispy as I'd like them, but I don't know, I guess I didn't fill the thing enough. I don't know. If anybody has this waffle maker, let me know what your like magic trick is to make it work good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you ever had this sundae at the parks? Did you like it? And was it better than the chocolate waffle sundae? Because that looked really good too. I just didn't want to make 1,000 waffles and have so many waffles in my house. So thank you so much for watching again. Have a magical day.